Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this lecture we are going to discuss differences between C and C++. So C is a procedural language. C is a procedural language. It does not support objects and classes. But C++ is support C++ supports both procedural and object-oriented approach. So C++ is both procedural and object-oriented programming language. It supports objects and classes. C++ extends C language. That means it adds additional features like exception handling. It adds object-oriented programming concepts, exception handling mechanism, template concept, function template and class templates. So which allows the programmers to make use of some standard libraries, standard template libraries, STL. STL stands for standard template libraries. So coming to C language, C is a function driven language and C++ is an object oriented language, that is it is object driven. The next difference is C language does not support encapsulation, inheritance and polymorphism. But C++ has some core features. It supports encapsulation, inheritance and polymorphism. The next difference is C language does not support information hiding. C does not support information hiding. That is, data and functions are not encapsulated. In C language, data and functions are not encapsulated. But in C++, data and functions are encapsulated together in the form of objects. So this supports C++ supports information hiding. Data and functions are encapsulated together in the form of an object. So C++ supports information hiding. The next difference is in C language we use the file extension .c, whereas in C++ we use the file extension .cpp. The next difference is C does not support overloading concept, but C++ supports overloading concepts. So we can achieve runtime polymorphism and compile time polymorphism in C++. So C++ supports overloading. We have operator overloading and function overloading, but C does not support overloading concept. So in function overloading, we overload the function. That means we use the same function to perform different operations. In operator overloading, we allow same operator to perform more than one task, but that concept is not supported in C language. The next difference is C language follows top-down approach. So first we write the main function, and then we write the subfunctions. But C++ follows bottom-up approach. First we design the classes, and then we write all the member functions outside the class. Then finally at the bottom of the program structure we used to write the main function. So this follows bottom-up approach. The execution of the C++ program starts from the bottom of the program structure, whereas in C the execution starts from the main, which is at the top of the program structure. The next one is C does not support strict type checking. There is no strict type checking in C, but C++ compiler performs strict type checking. So if any types are not used properly, then it shows an error. So it performs necessary type conversion before executing the code, before running the code. So it checks whether the type is compatible or not. The next difference is C language does not use access modifiers. In C language we are not using access modifiers. So we have access modifiers like private, protected, public in C++. So C++ provides access modifiers. So programmers are allowed to use access modifiers like private, public, protected. So by using these access modifiers we can enforce certain access rules to the data. So it allows us to protect the data through these access modifiers. So this enables protection of data. The next difference is C language does not support virtual and front functions. But C++ supports virtual and front functions. The next difference is in C language we are using a header file, standard input output header file stdio.h. So the standard IO header file is stdio.h. Here the standard in C++, the standard input output header file is iostream.h. So here input output operation works with stream. The next difference is C does not support namespace, but C++ supports namespace to avoid the name collision problem. The next difference is C programming language provides built-in functions like mlog and clog for dynamic memory allocation. But C++ provides new operator for dynamic memory allocation. And it provides delete operator for memory deallocation. The next difference is C programming language uses scanf and printf built-in functions for input output operations. But C++ uses cin and cout for input output operations. These are the major differences between C and C++. Thank you guys. We will meet in the next lecture. Have a nice day.